Hi, welcome back. Today I will continue the chapter number 6, School Breaks Up, and it is page number 69. The line from where I am going to start is, boys, do you remember that we have a no school from tomorrow? That means it was the last examination, and after that there was a small what holiday, and one of the boys just told such a type of a thing that do you remember the school is going to be closed from tomorrow? Well, what are you going to do with yourself? Someone asked to his friend that what are you going to do from tomorrow? Now, here Swaminathan said, I am going to just burn my books as a fuel in a kitchen. But the another boy told, who is that? That is Shankar. And he told, my father has brought a lots of a book and I am going to read during this vacation. I mean holiday. As they were talking with each other, the bell rang. It was 15 minutes past. 15 minutes later. The whole school gathered in a hall and all of them meet with each other with the good fellowship. What is that? The good fellowship is here. See, you can say that is a friend lines, making something very good with their friends. Even the teacher tried to be familiar. Now the teacher is not a strict mood and he is trying that he should be in a pleasant and well little bit just like a behavior of a friend there. Now what the teacher said, Janiger, when he saw Minnie, he told that, hello, blockhead. That means she is not good in his studies. She is a what? She is a very, very what? You can say that her mind is not working properly. And that is why he told such a type of a word here, and that is blockhead. How you are going to waste your vacation? A joke is going there. I am going to sleep, sir. And she told that I am going to just sleep and enjoy myself. You are likely to improve your head by the time you return to the school. He is telling that you will have to improve yourself and change your mood and then come to school. How it is possible, sir? One of the boy told that. Unless you cut off the Shankar's head, that means he is the good student, and when you will just fix Shankar's head in Minnie's head after cutting it, then only it is possible. Unless it is there was a great laughter. All of them what laughed, and you can say there was nothing. The mood was such that they were enjoying that moment. The headmaster appeared on the platform. Now the headmaster came there, and everyone there was a silence. Began a short speech. He gave a short speech. What is that? In which he said that the school will remain till 19th June. 19th June the school is going to be remain, and from 20th again the school will reopen. And he told that I hope that the boys should not waste their time. They should read the storybooks. The main purpose or a message of the story is that you should never waste your time, and you should focus on what? On your subject. If you are wasting your time, you are losing something. Now, after giving a speech, there was a minute more, you can say, a prayer was there. And then each and every boy dispersed from there. In all direction they went, and at the end of the prayer the storm burst and they all got out of the hall. With the what? With a loud voice. I am also going to suggest you that please don't waste your time with, because the time will never come back again. Thank you.